Hello, this is ICT practical questions with answers and explanations for grade 7, Unit 1 and 2. Unit 1. Question number 1. What does ICT stands for? A. International Computing Technology. B. Information and Communication Technology. C. Integrated Communication Tools. D. Information and Computer Training. The answer is Information and Communication Technology. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology, focusing on technologies used for information processing and communication. Question number 2. Which of the following is an example of ICT? A. A refrigerator. B. A smartphone. C. A chair. D. A bookshelf. The answer will be a smartphone. A smartphone is a common ICT device as it is used for communication and information processing. Question number 3. What is the primary focus of ICT? A. Producing printed documents. Unit 1. Question number 1. What does ICT stands for? A. International Computing Technology. B. Information and Communication Technology. C. Integrated Communication Tools. D. Information and Computer Training. The answer is Information and Communication Technology. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology, focusing on technologies used for information processing and communication. Question number 2. Which of the following is an example of ICT? A. A refrigerator. B. A smartphone. C. A chair. D. A bookshelf. The answer will be a smartphone. A smartphone is a common ICT device as it is used for communication and information processing. Question number 3. What is the primary focus of ICT? A. Producing printed documents. B. Facilitating communication and handling information. C. Managing physical resources. D. Manufacturing hardware devices. The answer will be facilitating communication and handling information. ICT emphasizes the efficient processing and sharing of information through communication technologies. Question number 4. Which of these fields does ICT not include? A. Telecommunication. B. Computer networks. C. Agricultural tools. D. Data processing. The answer is agricultural tools. ICT involves tools and processes related to communication and information, not agriculture. Question number 5. Why is ICT important in today's world? A. It replaces all physical tasks. B. It is the only method for communication. C. It enables efficient access to and sharing of information globally. D. It is only used for entertainment. The answer is it enables efficient access to and sharing of information globally. ICT connects people and systems globally, enhancing information communication. Question number 6. What is a computer? A device only used for entertainment. B. A device that processes and stores data. C. A device for measuring time. D. A device used exclusively for printing. The answer is a device that processes and stores data. A computer processes, stores and retrieves data to perform various tasks. Question number 7. Which of these is not a characteristic of computer? A. It can perform calculations. B. It can think independently. C. It can store data. D. It can display output. The answer will be it can think independently. Computers do not have independent thought. They operate based on programmed instructions. Question number 8. Which of the following is a core function of a computer? A. Cooking food. B. Processing information. C. Growing plants. D. Building houses. The answer is processing information. A computer's primary function is to process data into meaningful information. Question number 9. What is the main component of a computer that performs calculations? A. Monitor. B. CPU. C. Printer. D. Keyboard. The answer is CPU. The CPU or Central Processing Unit is the brain of the computer, responsible for all calculations and processing. Question number 10. The answer is hard drive. The hard drive is used to store data permanently, unlike RAM, which is temporary. Question number 11. How is IT different from ICT? A. IT focuses on communication, while ICT focuses on information processing. B. IT deals with information, while ICT includes communication technologies. C. ICT and IT are the same. D. IT focuses on entertainment. The answer is IT deals with information while ICT includes communication technologies. ICT includes communication technologies, making it broader than IT. Question number 12. Which of the following is an example of ICT but not IT? A. Email services. B. Database software. C. Web development tools. D. Spreadsheet software. The answer is email services. Email combines both information processing or IT and communication technologies or ICT. Question number 13. Which field focuses primarily on communication tools? A. IT, B. ICT, C. Programming, D. Accounting. The answer is ICT. ICT emphasizes the integration of communication tools with information systems. Question number 14. Which of these is not part of IT but is part of ICT? A. Social media platforms, B. Word processing software, C. Programming language, D. Antivirus software. The answer is social media platforms. Social media platforms integrate communication, aligning with ICT. Question number 15. What is a key similarity between IT and ICT? A. Both focus solely on hardware development. B. Both deal with the processing and management of information. C. Both are limited to networking systems. D. Both are only applicable in the business field. The answer is both deal with the processing and management of information. IT and ICT share a focus on managing and processing information. Question number 16. What is the primary purpose of IT? A. To process, store and retrieve information. B. To provide internet access. C. To create communication networks. D. To produce multimedia content. The answer is to process, store and retrieve information. IT manages information through data processing, storage and retrieval. Question number 17. Which of the following is a component of IT? A. Telecommunications, B. Cloud computing, C. Road networks, D. Agriculture tools. The answer is cloud computing. Cloud computing is a key aspect of IT used for data storage and access. Question number 18. Which of these is a core activity in IT? A. Growing crops, B. Analyzing and processing data, C. Writing novels, D. Painting. The answer is analyzing and processing data. IT is centered on managing data to generate meaningful information. Question number 19. What is not included in the scope of IT? A. Database management, B. Hardware repair, C. Data processing, D. Software development. The answer is hardware repair. IT involves managing and processing data, but not physical hardware repair. Question number 20. Which is an example of IT in daily life? A. Sending a text message. B. Editing a document on a word processor. C. Watching television. D. Driving a car. The answer is editing a document on a word processor. Editing a document is a clear application of IT for information management. Question 21. Which is not a basic element of an ICT system? A. Hardware. B. Software. C. Data. D. Clothing. The answer is clothing. Clothing is unrelated to the components of an ICT system. Question number 22. What is the role of hardware in an ICT system? A. To provide instructions to users. B. To process and store data. C. To write data manually. D. To manage office documents. The answer is to process and store data. Hardware includes physical devices like computers and servers used for processing and storage. Question number 23. Which of the following is a key function of software in an ICT system? A. Organizing and managing hardware components. B. Facilitating communication between users and devices. C. Providing power to the devices. D. Building physical systems. The answer is facilitating communication between users and devices. Software allows users to interact with, facilitate data processing. Question number 24. Which element of ICT refer to raw facts and figures? A. Hardware. B. Software. C. Data. D. Network. The answer will be data. Data is the raw material that ICT systems process into meaningful information. Question number 25. What role do users play in an ICT system? A. They manufacture hardware devices. B. They operate and interact with the system. C. They provide energy to the system. D. They replace the need for software. The answer is they operate and interact with the system. Because users are essential for operating and interacting with ICT systems effectively. This is all about Unit 1. If you have any question and comment, you can ask. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's proceed to Unit 2. Unit 2. Question number 1. Which of the following is not a hardware component of a computer? A. Keyboard. B. Monitor. C. Operating system. D. Mouse. The answer is operating system. The operating system is software, not hardware. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer. Question number 2. Which hardware component is responsible for processing instructions in a computer? A. CPU. B. Hard drive. C. Monitor. D. Printer. The answer is CPU. The CPU or Central Processing Unit executes instructions and performs calculations. Question number 3. What type of hardware is a monitor? A. Input device. B. Output device. C. Storage device. D. Processing device. The answer is output device. A monitor displays visual output from the computer, making it an output device. Question number 4. Which of these is an input device? A. Hard drive. B. Mouse. C. RAM. D. Graphics card. The answer will be mouse. A mouse is an input device that allows the user to interact with the computer. Question number 5. What is the role of RAM in a computer system? A. Permanent data storage. B. Temporary data storage for quick access. C. Displaying data to users. D. Processing instructions. The answer is temporary data storage for quick access. RAM, which is random access memory, temporarily stores data and instructions for quick access by the CPU. Question number 6. What is the primary function of the CPU? A. To store data permanently. B. To process instructions and perform calculations. C. To display information to the user. D. To manage external connections. The answer will be to process instructions and perform calculations. The CPU is the brain of the computer, responsible for executing instructions and processing data. Question number 7. Which hardware component is used to permanently store data? A. Monitor. B. Hard drive. C. Keyboard. D. RAM. The answer is hard drive. The hard drive stores data permanently, unlike RAM, which is temporary. Question number 8. What is the function of the power supply unit in a computer? A. To store data. B. To convert electrical power for computer use. C. To connect to external devices. D. To cool the system. The answer is to convert electrical power for computer use. The power supply unit U converts electricity from an outlet into usable power for the computer components. Question number 9. What role does the motherboard play in a computer system? A. Storing data temporarily. B. Connecting and allowing communication between all components. C. Outputting information to users. D. Protecting the computer from overheating. The answer is connecting and allowing communication all components. The motherboard is the central hub that connects and enables communication between the CPU, memory, storage and other components. Question number 10. Which device is primarily responsible for displaying visual information? A. CPU. B. Monitor. C. Hard drive. D. Printer. The answer will be monitor. The monitor is the hardware component responsible for displaying visual output to the user. Question number 11. What does the term computer hardware refer to? A. Programs and applications installed on the computer. B. The physical component of a computer system. C. Networking tools used in computing. D. The internet-based functions of a computer. The answer is the physical components of a computer system. Computer hardware is all physical, tangible components of a computer system. Question number 12. Which of the following is an example of hardware? A. Web browser. B. Antivirus software. C. Keyboard. D. Cloud storage. The answer is keyboard. A keyboard is a physical device, making it a part of computer hardware. Question number 13. How is hardware different from software? A. Hardware is intangible while software is physical. B. Hardware includes only storage devices while software includes everything else. C. Hardware refers to physical components, while software refers to programs and instructions. D. Hardware is temporary, while software is permanent. The answer is hardware refers to physical components while software refers to programs and instructions. Hardware is the tangible, physical part of a computer while software consists of the intangible programs and instructions. Question number 14. Which statement best describes the importance of computer hardware? A. Hardware is optional for most computing tasks. B. Hardware is necessary for running software and performing computing tasks. C. Hardware only stores data and is not involved in processing. D. Hardware works independently without software. The answer is hardware is necessary for running software and performing computing tasks. Hardware is essential for running software and performing tasks as it provides the physical infrastructure. Question number 15. Which component of hardware processes data and performs computation? A. Monitor. B. CPU. C. Hard drive. D. Power supply. The answer is CPU. The CPU or Central Processing Unit is the primary hardware responsible for processing data and executing instructions. Dear viewers and listeners, this is all about Unit 1 and Unit 2 of ICT for Grade 7. If you have any question and comment, welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in Chapter 3.